Welcome everyone. I would like to show you how to easily screen record the iPhone 11 Pro Max, 11 Pro and iPhone 11. The process takes a couple of minutes, so let's get started. What I want you to do is open up settings and you'll be brought to this page right here. And then you're going to have to scroll down until you see Control Center. Tap on this one. Now find Customize Controls. Tap on that. And I've already enabled screen recording on my iPhone. However, for you, you won't have screen recording available. So you're going to find More Controls. You're going to find Screen Recording. Tap on the plus. And I can see screen recording has been officially enabled on my iPhone. So the next step is you see right here, the Wi-Fi symbol and the battery. Just want to swipe down and this will enable Control Center. We then see this brand new icon. It's a circle inside of a circle. It looks like a microphone. I want you to long press on this and you'll be brought to the screen recording page. You can choose whether you want to record your built-in microphones on the iPhone. So let's say you want to record a commentary. You can enable the microphone and it will record the system audio, but also it will record you speaking like this video right here. However, if you just want, for example, no commentary gameplay, or you just want to capture audio without your mic audio, just make sure you set that to off. To change it, just tap on or off. So for me, I have a bunch of options. This is because I have third-party screen recorders which are available inside of the App Store. If you want to test out some third-party screen recorders, I'll leave them in the description. But you can see you want to make sure you tap on Photos, then tap on Start Recording, and you have this countdown right here. And you can see the screen recording has started. You can see the time elapsed, and we have this red icon right here. If we X out the Control Center, you can see at the top left, this red icon. This means that you are recording. So every input you do is currently being recorded. So I'm swiping across, and everything is being recorded. If I go into an application, it's being recorded. To stop the recording, just tap on the red icon and then tap on stop again. Depending on how long the screen recording is, it might take some time for the screen recording to save. You can see this message, screen recording saved to photos. Now, if you lock your device while the screen recording is saving, the screen records will not show up in the camera roll. Also, if you go into settings, you find general, about. If you have less than 700 megabytes of storage, the screen recorder will crash and you'll get an error on the screen. You can see I have 155 gig, so I'm good to go. So open up Photos, I'll tap on the photo, and you can see this is the screen recording I just captured. You can see it is recording my iPhone screen, and if I scrub through, you can see all of my inputs are actually being recorded and they are playing back in real time. So you can see I'm swiping like I did earlier and it's all being recorded right here. So do keep in mind, if you're having issues with the audio of the game or app not showing up, you have to make sure that the mute switch, you can see mine is currently on. Just make sure that the silent mode has been disabled. Make sure audio is on, and even if you want a little amount, audio has to be on. Then go into a game and then the audio of the game will be captured successfully. And of course, if you want mic audio to work, turn on the microphone, and I'm going to show you now. So if I start recording, and we'll just wait for the red bar to show up, you can see 1, 2, 3 test, and I'll stop the recording and you'll see the mic audio was saved. So I'll tap into here. Let's have a look. You won't be able to hear that. I need to turn it up so you can hear the audio worked. Red bar to show up. You can see 1, 2, 3 test. And that is coming from the actual recording itself. So that's how to screen record the iPhone 11 Pro Max. It's a very easy process. Hopefully I made it easy for you. Bye-bye.